In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a HubSpot chatbot. By the end, you'll have a live chat experience up and running with a clear path from setup to launch. Start by signing into your HubSpot account and landing on the home dashboard. From the main navigation, open the service menu and choose Chatflows. Chatflows are HubSpot's way of building guided conversations. Think of them as the rules, messages, and routing that power your website chat, mobile chat, or even conversations on external channels. They help you greet visitors, qualify leads, offer support, and route people to the right place, all automatically or with help from your team. On the Chatflows page, choose Web Chat for this walkthrough. You'll also see options for mobile chat and Facebook Messenger. Website chat adds the familiar chat widget to your site pages. Mobile chat is optimized for smaller screens, so your conversations stay usable on phones and tablets. Facebook Messenger connects your HubSpot inbox to your Facebook page, so visitors can start on your site and continue in Messenger without losing the thread. Next, click Create Chatflow. For this example, select Website as the channel, then click Next. You'll be asked what type of experience you want. Choose Live Agent for a direct, human-led conversation. In general, Live Agent routes chats to your team in real time, great for sales or support. Automated bot options can qualify visitors, capture details, or handle common questions when your team is busy. Knowledge-based or FAQ-style experiences help deflect tickets by guiding people to helpful articles. For now, we're focusing on live chat with your team, so click Next, then Create. Once the editor opens, personalize the welcome message. Keep it short, friendly, and specific. Set expectations about response time, and consider a simple prompt like, "How can we help today?" You can reflect your brand voice, add a name or team label, and tweak the initial question to encourage the right kind of inquiries. Use the preview option to see how the chat appears before you publish. Test the greeting, the handoff behavior, and how it looks on desktop and mobile. If everything checks out, close the preview. Back in the editor, give your chat flow a clear, descriptive name so your team can identify it later as you add more variants. Finally, toggle the chat flow on to make it live. Before you celebrate, double-check targeting and availability to ensure the widget appears on the right pages and during the right hours. That's it, your HubSpot chatbot is live. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.